So let's discuss exercise now. What is sustainable development? Development that meets the need of present without endangering the ability of the future generation to meet their needs. So answer is C. What will happen if we neglect sustainable development? If we neglect sustainable development, it will destroy our ecology, destroy our environment, endangering the survival of the future generations. The answer is B. The greatest problem related to sustainable development is to safeguard further depletion of fisheries and forests also, and croplands and grasslands also. So answer is all of these. Do you agree with the view that great economic activity will lead to great damage to the environment? Yes. The concept of sustainable development is easy as well as practicable. The concept of sustainable development is subject to criticism because any positive rate of exploitation of non-renewable resources will lead to exhaustion of resources. Or sustainable development is impossible to achieve. It's an utopian idea, not possible in practice. So comes to topic of criticism. Here we get an answer. See here, any positive rate of exploitation of no renewable resources will eventually lead to exhaustion of Earth's stores. So answer is B. Now, what is the most serious problem as far as sustainable is concerned? To raise the yield of the croplands without extending the area, to raise it by extending the area, none of these. So answer is none of these. Define sustainable development. Comes to page number, comes to starting point. So here we have sustainable development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of a future generation to meet their needs. Now comes to second question. Mention any one. When did the idea of sustainable become popular? So the idea of sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the United Nations World Commission on Environment and Development. Okay, comes to third question. Which serious question raised by first Barnett Commission report? Comes to first Barnett Commission report. According to first Barnett Commission report, here we have the first Barnett report raised a very serious question: are we to leave our successor a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverishing the landscape and ailing environment? That is just depend on our needs and the needs of our future generations. What we are providing a future generation. So next question, which significant point was raised by L.R. Brown in the book The Global Economic Prospect? So here Mr. L.R. Brown in the book Global Economic Prospect points out that the earth has four principal biological systems which form the foundation of the global economic system. These four are fisheries, forests, croplands and grasslands, which provide us food and which provide us a raw material for industry except minerals. So now these have been completed. Short answer completed. Next is short answer 2. The most pressing environmental problem are related to which type of resources? So here we have on fourth point of problems, the most pressing environment problems are associated with resources that are renewable but are undervalued and therefore in the danger of exhaustion. Air, water are renewable resources but they have a finite capacity to assimilate emission and waste. If the pollution exceeds this capacity, ecosystem will deteriorate rapidly. Mention any one serious problem related to sustainable development. So mention any one problem. We have a lot of problems here. We can discuss any one serious problem right here. Okay. So we can give any of the one problem here. So the assessment of use of more renewable resources,